Do you need something? What do you need? Did you eat dinner? Yeah? So does that mean you want more dinner? Yeah?
Hey, Grid. Who do you love? Can you speak? What? Hang on, Hannah. Who do you love? Hey, Grid. Who do you love? What? You love all of us? I love you too. Who do you love? Who?
Elliot, who's your favorite? Who's your favorite? Mom? Oh, okay. Okay, Elliot, I need to know again. Who's your favorite? Mom? Oh, good boy.
Okay, Taji. Say mama. Say mama. Mama. No, mama. Mama. That's kind of good. All right. Mama. 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 Say mama. Troy. 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 Mama. Mom. Mom.
Hey, Gunther, you want to go to the bay? Do you want to go to Brennan? You want to go to the bay? Yeah? You want to go to the bay? 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 Do you want your mama? Do you want your mama? Do you want your mama?